sounds very similar, right? I know it sounds like a vacuum cleaner, and now it's time to make this car to sound like a real car. Hello guys, my name is Serge, I'm from Russia, and I've got this beautiful Skoda Rapid in Monte Carlo version. And today I'm going to find the solution how to get this car a bit noisier. And sorry for my English if I make a lot of mistakes. What my plan is to remove this back box. We're not going to remove the whole exhaust system, we're not going to remove this silencer, this pipe, just removing this back box. As you may notice, there is no exhaust tips on my Skoda Rapid. There is just, rear diffuser and little fins in Monte Carlo version. And we are going to add some space here. Okay, what we've got here? We've got this 63mm pipe, 1 meter long. We've got an adapter, or I don't know what it calls in English, you might tell me in the comment section box below. And we've got this little thing to add the adapter in the pipe, and I don't know what it's called in English, you can tell me in the comment section as well. And what we've got here, we've got an original Akrapovic exhaust tip on my Skoda Rapid. But actually it's not, it's a fake Akrapovic exhaust tip. I'm just kidding. But anyway, it looks so sick, and I'm going to install this on my Skoda Rapid. First up, we're going to remove the back box. Well, we're about to turn it on. Hey, are you ready? Yeah. Oh. Yeah, nice. So, as you can see, it looks so sick, and the sound this system is producing is unreal, and that really makes you love the car that much more. And I have popping and banging here. I have actually I have banging and just a little bit of popping, but it's enough for me. It's enough for real daily life. It's not really noisy as I expected, but it's okay. It's just for fun, guys. Well, that's everything for today about my exhaust system on Skoda Rapids with Akrapovic exhaust tip. If you want to see more about this car, if you want to see more about driving experience in Russia, because winter is coming soon and it might be interesting for you, well, just let me know in the comment section box below. And if you want to see any Russian cars, you just let me know as well. So that's everything for today. See you in the next video. Peace, guys.